Hey, welcome back. This is Dr. Joe with Mountain Journey. I'm really excited. I ordered a Jet heavy-duty variable speed industrial 8-inch buffer. It's here. Let's look at it. When I was buffing with my other buffer, it would very frequently slow down and stall out. This buffer has a 1 horsepower motor. We shouldn't have any problems with that. Let's take a look. I'm going to pull it out here and put it on the floor. I got the buffer out of the box. Obviously there's some styrofoam particles here. It's on a plywood base with a couple through bolts, so I put this cardboard to protect it. The arbors are nicely wrapped to prevent rusting. Comes with 4 large flanges. They clearly will fit on each side of the buffing wheels. Some spacers and 2 nuts, differently colored for their direction of turn. One will thread clockwise, the other counterclockwise. It has a digital readout, on, off, speeds up and down, and then 3 presets, 900, 1800, and 3600 RPM. It has a mounting bracket here for an LED light that I also purchased, but it hasn't come yet. This is the stand for the buffer. It kind of came banged up a little bit, but I think it'll be okay. Everything looks okay. We'll set it aside for a moment. Let's put the base together. It takes 3 of these 10mm cap screws with hex nuts. To secure it to the base. This will also allow you to level it, but so will the base. So we'll drive these 10mm cap nuts in. With an Allen wrench. And then to prevent these from backing out, we'll tighten up that locking nut. There, that baby's solid. Now let's put the top on and so we'll put the cooling container here and tighten that and lock it. And now the top as well.
Okay.
And then once I get this top secured, we'll be able to put the buffer on it. Same deal, cap screw and then locking nut. So let's look and listen while we fire this up. This can be run on 115, 110 current or 220. We just have to change the plug. But right now it's set up for 115 and it's got 3 preset numbers. Let's run it up at 900. Smooth. 1800. 3600. Minimal vibration. Now we'll shut it off. It has an electric brake, so you can detect that. Let's see how that works. Now that slowed that down pretty well. This looks like really a sweet machine. I've had good experience with Jet. I purchased a hollow chisel mortiser with them. It's worked great. A belt disc sander and also an oscillating thickness sander. All 3 pieces of equipment very good. This looks like it's really good as well. We'll mount that to the stand in just a little bit. So here's the installation of the professional variable speed 8-inch Jet buffer, 1 horsepower, and I currently have it plugged into the 110, but I bought an adapter to put it into the 220 outlet because it reduces the current draw from 7 amps to 3.5 amps, a significant savings, and it should run with greater power. When you turn it on, the LED light comes on. Let's fire it up to 1800 RPM. It reaches speed very quickly. There it is. And it's smooth. It's quiet. This is truly a professional unit and it's going to greatly surpass the one I'd been previously using that would always bog down when I tried to buff things. This is a real step up and I'm very excited about it. The third thing that goes with this, we had a buffer, the buffer stand, are the LED lights, which I just got today. Let's take a look at those. Okay, here's the box from JEGS. That's where I purchased this. Very prompt service. I did it all online. Very easy process. And they gave me a really nice tracking number with FedEx. It was great to watch it come. They sent me some totally cool decals to put up. Okay, great. Well, this box contains 2 of the LED lights, the 3-watt LED lights. Let's just open one up and take a look at it and probably install it on the 8-inch buffer. I'm excited about this because it's specifically for that. Oh yeah, here are the 2 machine screws that go with it. This fits perfectly on the cast iron mounting area. Steel, LED, this will be pretty nice. Let's install it. So we'll bring this around. I'll try not to drop the screws. They mount perfectly right into the cast iron base. There's a second screw back here. We'll just screw that in. Give that a nice compression. let's plug it in and see how it works. Okay. Oh, nice. Nice and bright. Powerful illumination. A steel articulated arm. Very solid. I think this will work great because you can illuminate both sides. Little roller pin here, a little roller switch. There we go. This is the unboxing assembly, and in a little bit we'll use this, and I'm excited to use this long term. This is going to be my go-to buffer here in the workshop. Thank you again for watching. Please do subscribe. Please like, and any comments, let me know. I'm really excited about this. Again, this is Dr. Joe from Mountain Journey. Stay safe.